Demonstrate how we will be able to apply for a financial aid of a particular course of your desire through Coursera. So take note, I'm doing this via my mobile phone. Okay, so let's just say I have typed in IBM Polestack because I want to learn the complete back-end dev on JavaScript and Node.js. So I just typed in IBM Polestack. So I've been eyeing this for a while na kaya tinype ko na siya. And then mamimili lang tayo dun sa categories. So for this one, I'm gonna choose IBM Backend JavaScript Developer. Ayan. So kung makikita nyo, ayan. Check natin yung pinakadulo. Usually kasi hindi nila openly ina-announce na merong financial aid option dito. So, pag may nakita kayong financial aid available, click nyo lang siya and automatically, pag na-click nyo, makaka-apply kayo ng financial aid sa kauna-unahan nilang course, which is yung Introduction to Software Engineering. Since nakapag-apply na ako dito before ng financial aid, so try natin to sa pangalawa. Take note, ang pag-apply, ito kasi yung pinakabuong course. Ngayon, itong IBM Backend JavaScript Developer Professional Certificate ay merong 10 module or 10 course. So, makikita naman natin kung anong level siya dito, beginner level, no prior experience required. So, ituturo nila sa inyo yung from scratch. So, ibig sabihin, if you are non-tech, degree or gusto mo lang or curious kang matuto about IBM full stack development, then manageable siya kahit sa beginner level. No experience required. Flexible deadlines, ibig sabihin hindi to naka-Gmeet, hindi rin to naka-Zoom. At your own pace yung mga videos, you can play it, pass forward, you can pause, and so on. Make sure lang na matatapos nyo lahat ng part nun sa modules. Now, meron siyang 10 course, and bawat 10 course na to ay manually nating i-apply for a Coursera financial aid. So, sabi ko sa inyo, na-apply ko na tong financial aid na to. Magwe-wait lang ako ng notification for 2 weeks. So, dito na tayo sa course 2. So, bali isa-isa to hanggang course 10. Yun nga lang, take note now, you can only apply 10 financial aid hanggat hindi mo pa natatapos yung course na yon, di ka na muna pwedeng mag-apply. So, kailangan matapos mo muna. Pag natapos mo na isa, pwede ka ulit mag-apply ng bago para magka-slot. 10 lang ang allowable na slot na may financial aid. And kasi realistically speaking din, hindi mo naman siya matatapos agad. Kaya kailangan matapos mo muna yung isa bago ka makapag-apply ng bago. Pwede kayo mag-apply ng financial aid na sabay-sabay. 10. Basta 10 ang limit. Pag natapos kayo sa isang course, pwede ulit kayo mag-apply, may another slot kayo available. Pag natapos nyo halimbawa ng sabay-sabay na isa, yung 10 course, then open na ulit yung slot. You'll get the point once you finish the course and you try to apply for financial aid. You'll see that the slot for financial aid will be available. Anyway, without any further ado, let's go and click this introduction to HTML and CSS. Pag di siya na-click, so punta tayo sa C course detail. Ayan. So, wait lang natin. Medyo it takes time.